Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can create broadcast channel on Instagram professional account. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, sign into your account and navigate to your profile page. Here, you can see that it's a business account because it says professional dashboard. So I've actually switched over to a professional account. In order to find the option to create a broadcast channel, what you want to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner and tap on the home icon to come to your feed page. From here, swipe left and your recent messages will be displayed. Inside it, if you again click on the pencil and paper icon at top right, you will be sent to this window. This is where you can find the option to create a broadcast channel. So if you do have that feature available, you're going to see a screen like this with the option to create a broadcast channel. As I couldn't actually see the option for myself on a business account, so I did some research and it says that you need to make sure you have a creator account on Instagram. And at the current moment, personal and business accounts cannot create a broadcast channel. So yes, it is still possible to create a broadcast channel on an Instagram account. However, business accounts at the moment are not supported and they cannot create a broadcast channel. That's how you can create broadcast channel on Instagram professional account. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.